In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Loom video emojis. If emoji reactions on your Loom videos are distracting or not appropriate for your audience, the most effective way to cut them down is to control who can watch your video. That way, you reduce the number of people who can react in the first place. Start by heading to Loom and signing in. From your workspace or library, open the specific video you want to adjust. Once you're on the video page, look toward the top right area for the Share settings. This is where you control access. Click Share Settings to open the panel. Now change the access from a broad setting to something more limited. You have two reliable options here. First, choose Only Me. This keeps the video private to your account, which means no one else can view it, and as a result, no one can leave emoji reactions. This is perfect if you're still editing, reviewing your own work, or archiving something you don't want others to see. Second, choose specific people. This option lets you share the video with a small, trusted audience while preventing reactions from the general public. Add only the viewers you want to include and make sure their permissions are correct. Keeping the viewer list tight keeps reactions under control and the conversation focused. The reason this works is simple. Fewer viewers mean fewer reactions. Broad sharing options, like anyone with the link, can spread quickly and invite unexpected feedback. If you're seeing a flood of emojis, it's often a sign that your video's access is too open. By narrowing your audience, you set the tone for how the video is received and discussed. As a couple of quick tips as you go, before you share a link, glance at the access label near the share button and confirm it matches your intention. If you need to open the video briefly to a wider audience, you can always loosen the setting temporarily and then switch back to Only Me or specific people afterward. This gives you flexibility without inviting ongoing reactions you don't want. That's all there is to it. Open your video, go to Share Settings, and set access to Only Me or specific people. With those adjustments, you'll effectively limit emoji reactions and keep your Loom experience clean and focused. Thanks for watching, and feel free to apply this to any video in your library or whenever you want tighter control over viewer feedback.